In this video, I'll show you how to fix a paper jam for the HP SmartTank 5105 printer. The first thing you need to do is remove the power cable, just as we're going to be poking around inside the printer. The first place that we're going to check is the front cover where the print heads are. So just pull the cover down here like this. And we're just going to have a look here to the left and to the right of the print heads. So if you see any obstructions, just go ahead and pull them out, or you can use some tweezers. And here will be one of the most common places to find a paper jam. So just have a look everywhere. If not in there, you can go ahead and close the lid. Then come down to the bottom of the printer where the paper comes out. You can see these rollers. Just take a quick look around here and see if you can see anything. And finally, the last place we're going to check is at the back. So remove the paper that's in the printer and then pull this flap forward and just take a look inside here if you can see any paper. This might be hard to get your hand in if you do see some paper, but you can use some tweezers. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, please let me know. Thank you for watching.